So if you decide to respond to a credit repair offer, this is a list of stuff that you should be aware of. The one that I want you to focus on is at the bottom here. Advise you to dispute all information on your credit report. This is the number one thing that I see so many credit repair companies doing. What they do is that they will dispute everything on your credit. Clients will think temporarily, oh, the credit repair company's doing their job because they will see a bump up in their credit score. I call it a false positive. And the reason is because once you dispute an item on your credit report, it is temporarily removed from the algorithm that factors your credit score. And if it's a negative item that I'm removing from that algorithm that's factoring your credit score, well, then you see your credit score bump up. However, it's, like I said, a false positive because what happens is the credit bureaus reach out to the creditors and say, hey, such and such is disputing this item. Creditors reach back and say, nope, that's legit. And the credit bureaus are like, okay, it goes right back onto your credit report. Your credit scores drop back down, and you have a dispute listed under there now, which says disputed by consumer, resolved by creditor, consumer disagrees. And with that dispute, now when you go to apply for a loan, those disputes do not look positive on your credit score. In the mortgage side of things, when you dispute something, we can't approve you for a loan until that dispute is removed.